How to drop item in Minecraft PE mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video I'll show you guys how can you drop an item in Minecraft. So in Minecraft, when you want to give an item to another player or remove an item from your inventory, you could drop or throw these items. Now in order to do it, so you want to go to the drop. Now you have to first of all select the item in a hotbar. After you've selected the item, then you want to select throw or drop an item in the most version of the Minecraft. First you need to select the item you wish to throw in your hotbar. Then the game control to drop or throw the item depends on the version of Minecraft that you're using. And for Java edition, you need to press the Q key. And for Pocket edition, you need to tap and hold the item in a hotbar that you wish to drop it. And for PS3 and PS4, you need to press the circle button on the PS controller. After which, for Xbox 360 and Xbox One, press the B button on the Xbox controller. Now you could see the apple get thrown up in the air directly in front of you and land on the ground. Now another player can now pick this item up, or you could choose to pick it up again if you wished. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.